Voluntary trade makes both parties better off. This economic principle is certainly true on an individual level. Everyone makes exchanges in their own best interest. But what about international trade? Does international trade help only one country and hurt the other country? Of course not. But what about when the U.S. trades with China? Does that hurt the U.S.? The answer is no. Does trade help both countries? The answer is yes. Countries specialize in a good or service which they produce with a comparatively low cost. Each country overproduces in one area so that the surplus can be traded with another country's surplus. David Ricardo, the classical economist, gave us his famous theory of comparative advantage. Let us use our two nations, China and the U.S., treating two goods, aircraft and electronics, and illustrate in the following diagrams the comparative cost advantages and the gain from trade. The USA is capable of making electronics and aircraft, but we specialize in aircraft and made 7 units last period. We traded 2 of those aircraft to China in exchange for 6 units of electronics. China specialized in electronics because they have a low opportunity cost in electronic production and were better off trading the 6 units of electronics for 2 aircraft. Both countries gained from the trade. If the USA and China did not trade, if they refused to trade, then some of the resources in the USA used to make those 7 aircraft would have to be relocated into making the electronics Americans demand. 3 fewer aircraft would be made, aircraft jobs would be lost, loss of production would be insufficient. Also, the increase of 4 more electronic units made domestically would still be less than the total electronics enjoyed with trade. Without trade, Americans would have to make do with the 4 electronic and 14 electronics they make themselves. But with trade, Americans have 5 aircrafts and 16 electronics. That is 1 more aircraft and 2 more electronics units per period. The gains in China are similar because of the trade also. Trade helps every participant in the trade and helps increase the standard of living of the average person in both countries. Thank you very much and keep trading, Troy.